So Brisson, they sent me these new insoles so that I could show them to you, and they're kind of these orangish colored ones. You can see my old ones there are really wearing out there, so I just took those out and I
Yeah.
used them to cut these to size to go into my shoes here. And I love these shoes, but the insoles were wearing out, and this one kept leaving little foam on the bottom of my feet and stuff.
Uh-oh.
So I had to. I'm really happy to have some new
Yeah.
ones here, and I used the old ones to cut to size here. And what's nice about these, actually, they're actually nice and soft. They feel nice and soft, but they got
Mm-hmm.
little perforations there in the top to help your feet breathe a little bit there and stuff. And
Well, I know you were complaining that when you were walking around with those, you were feeling everything.
yeah, I was feeling everything underneath. Those
Yeah.
insoles were
So it's,
definitely wearing out. But
yeah.
look at how, oh, my
Oh, what
feet
do
are
you
so
think of
happy
those,
now.
Pippi? Huh?
My feet are so happy.
Yes,
What do you
Pippi's
think?
happy for you
Is that
too.
good?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Yay!
Yay.
So good, fresh, new insoles. Thanks for sending those. Appreciate that. Those are going to be great.
Yep.
Oh, I like how they feel. They
Mm-hmm.
feel actually quite nice and soft and supportive even under my feet. So good
Good
stuff.
deal.
I like them.